Ooh. Hi guys, I am in the village. I came for Christmas and also to get my kids after like almost 2 months. I've missed them so much. They've grown so big, they look tall, they've added weight and all that. I haven't woken up here in a year now. I was last year, last Christmas. It looks so beautiful in the morning, you guys. Nature, yani things we used to take for granted growing up, and now you just come home and you just like, everything just feels special. Nature feels special, especially after the whole congested rental life in Nairobi. This feels so good. It feels so good to wake up to nature and birds chirping, cows mooing, chickens crowing, like just beautiful. So yeah, come along with us for Christmas. Kuna njia hapo. Oh. Alafu mtu anarukia anakatakata kahawa yote. Camerawoman sema hi. Pus. Utaki maneno yangu? Hai pus. Hai pus. Kuja unisalimie. Utaki maneno yangu? Hai pus. Come. Aje mnanienjoy aje? Mnanienjoy aje? Wow, kada dako moruga na gima, orane gima diraruga. Hi Mwangi. How are you? Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope mko fine, thank you. Mimi, I am fine over here. Today is 30th of December 2025, like one day to closing the year. Yay! But life is showing me shege. Life is showing me dust, you guys. Hey. My son got a small accident on Sunday. Today is on Tuesday. He needed to have a minor surgery. Then I have a small work pressure, lots of life pressure. It's not going good. I hope that tomorrow will be a much better day. So I want to make cassavas. It's 7:15, but I want to make them for breakfast tomorrow because I'm still working tomorrow, even though I'm working from home. So I want to have breakfast. I don't want to have to cook in the morning when I wake up. So yeah, let's do that and then we will chat later. Bali.
Hi. We're twins.
Mommy, me and my daughter are matching clothes, so we are twins today. It is 31st of December. We made it, guys. We made it. So we are heading to Upper Hill, hoping that later at midnight we'll be able to catch the fireworks. So come along with us and enjoy. Tukirukisha mwaka pamoja. Happy New Year, guys. See you next year in a few. Guys, how are you? Happy New Year. Today is the 2nd of January. I know I saw you on 31st nikiwaambia see you next year. So we made it here safely. Yeah, nishasema leo ni 2nd. My husband and the kids have gone to the supermarket to buy some groceries and hizo vitu zingine za nyumba. So before they get back, I have decided, let me just talk to you before then. My year ended so crazy. I know in the beginning of this video you've seen us in the village, so we went, got the kids. For if you're new here, I have 2 kids, Koi 6, Jabali 4. So they were in the village at my mom's, their show for like 2 months, whole November, almost whole December. So went and got them. We came back on 27th, and then believe me, you guys, on 28th, we were at the hospital with him being put under for surgery. Yani, just one night. All it took was one night. And then the following day, so what happened was he was playing with a bicycle trainer here, sitting room. And then it slide. And then it opened, alafu ikamfinya kidole almost flat. Like, guys, you see, hapa hivi kwa the root bed ya kucha, the kucha popped from there, venye ulikuwa unaona hiyo white ya root bed ya kucha huku juu ya ngozi. Kidole ikapasuka hapa cause said bond flat. He could have lost his finger, guys. So we had to go to the hospital. Luckily, no bone was broken. Juu aligongwa just at the tip. It didn't get to any bones. And then they had to put him under for reconstructive surgery. You're just like, what the heck is not happening? And then on 31st, when we were going to Upper Hill to our, let me say, sister-in-law's house. That's where we go normally for Christmas. It's just like Upper Hill, so it's easy to just leave at 11:30, leave their house at like 11:30 and go catch the fireworks. It's always fun. But being outside with the kids, hey. Anyway, I digress. Immediately after, I told you guys, see you next year. We missed 3 accidents, you guys. The first one, somebody was trying to overtake India lane without even indicating, and we were right there. And the car at our back was coming so fast, so Peter couldn't brake. So Peter hooted and then just swerved, evaded the guy. Immediately, immediately we passed, we hear collision. Poof! So the car came and just hit that person. That aside, then God, that aside, and then a matatu from just nowhere. Yani Peter had now to brake and then just hoot continuously for the guy. That incident, we are the ones now overtaking in Gara. And then our car literally scratches another car. But it wasn't by just a tiny scratch. The guy was just like, it's okay guys, mistakes happen. But that's 3 road incidences in one night. Now, not just any other night, like the 31st of 2025. So yeah, I began my 2026 with a lot of prayers. But I know God is like on our side. Who can be against us? We come back here and we testify again in 2027, January 1st. To go in a much better place. But then my goals this year, I don't have, for how long? 3 minutes. My goals this year, sina goals that I want to make this kind of money, I want to do, because I realize I keep chasing things, and once I get them, I still feel an emptiness. Kuna kitu tu huwa ina lack all the time. So this year I'm just like, you know what, I'm not chasing anything physical. This time I'm chasing internal things. Like I want to just be happy more and feel at peace more, because those are things that in my past year, I feel like zimekuwa fluctuate a lot, and it's not even from external sources. Like looking outside, I could say that things are perfect in my life, but internally, I just have so many battles, so many of them. So yeah, for this year, my only physical goal is to just eat more healthy. I have very bad feeding habits. I love cooking a lot, but if I eat just very good. Come for lunch today, let me show you guys. For lunch today, we had ugali and mayai. Na nilikuwa nimeweka like 4 pieces of ugali zinatoshana hivi each. I only ate 1.5 and like a 3/4 ingine ataiko hapa. And that was that. Like I will cook, but eating is a problem. So I do intend to just eat more. I'm not even putting a goal that I eat more healthy food, because I do eat healthy food a lot of time. But at this point, I don't care. Hata kama it's junk, mandazi ngumu, whatever it is, like I just want to eat more so that I can have more energy. Because one thing under eating does is like you spend most of the time. So that having kids and maybe a job and a husband, you'll go crazy, guys. Like right now, I don't have a nanny. Now, I haven't had one since we came back. Now, I'm still working, mind you. So, working from home, because at least in here week here, Christmas, next week I need to go to the office, but working from home has been so tedious, you guys. Like, most of the time you see come I'm hanging by a thread, because you wake up, you're already supposed to like maybe read emails and do what. And then before you know it, watoto washaamka, they want breakfast. You give them breakfast. Before you know it, they want a snack. Before you know it, it's lunchtime and there's no food you have to cook. And all this while you're just juggling. And then as much as I'm feeding them, in a manner, I don't have time to do the dishes, so I'm just feeding them nikidamp vyombo kwa sink. So by the time the day ends, I have so many dirty dishes. Notice how all this time I'm not wiping tables, I'm swiping when they eat. No, all that uchafu. Imeningojea hivi at 5 o'clock. And then you do all that, it's dinner time, hata ujamaliza. Na hata kazi uko nayo pending, but yani it's just been so crazy. And sasa to top that with not eating enough, unaweza kufa, unaweza nyawa say. So I think I have yapped enough. I had intended to shoot more on this video, but I just want to end it here because near last year, right? It's only right. And then from like what I'll shoot tomorrow, I just put in a new vlog for New Year vibes to watch hizo zingine huko 2025. So yeah guys, Happy New Year to us. Cheers.